Okay, today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to set up Client VPN on a Cisco Meraki device. This is standard for any Cisco Meraki device, so it doesn't matter which MX you have. You'll go to Security Appliance and Client VPN. You want to go ahead and enable the server. Give it a subnet that's currently not being used, so I'm just going to pick one. DNS servers. If you have an internal DNS server and you want to do internal DNS lookups, make sure you set that. Secret key. Best practices, make sure it does not end with a special character or start with a special character. If you're going to use the Meraki Cloud authentication, keep it on Meraki Cloud. That means that your username and password that you use to access the Meraki client dashboard is the same login that you'll use to access the client VPN. Go ahead and hit Save Changes. Now, if you are going to have an internal DNS server, or if you do have one, I highly recommend do this the right way. Specify an internal server, and for authentication, you want to put it as Active Directory. Short name is just going to be whatever it is. So if it's, business.local, you'd put business.local. Put the IP address of the actual server. Put your admin username and then your admin password. Hit Save Changes. Now you'll notice all the username and passwords down here are gone. And so whenever someone's going to log into the client VPN, they will use the internal Active Directory username and password. If you have this, just set it up the right way. Do it now. The other best practice here is the host name. When setting up the client VPN on a client device, always use the host name. What's nice about Cisco Meraki is there's dynamic DNS built into the product. So even if you have 3 internet connections going into your Meraki MX device, this host name will always resolve to the active connection. So if you don't have a static IP, or let's say your primary internet goes down, your secondary internet kicks in, this host name will resolve to whichever the active connection is. So you never have to worry about your end users connecting to the right IP or host name. It'll always work. Now you know how to set up the Cisco Meraki Client VPN. Again, this works for any Cisco Meraki MX device. If you now want to learn how to set up the Windows 10 Client VPN, please click on the link below. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest Cisco Meraki and small business technology tips, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.